Can somebody share what they made and what criteria, how they fit the criteria? Yeah. You made a monster. Show it to us. Awesome. So is it a character?
Yes.
Does it have a moving part?
Yes.
Show us the moving part. Oh, cool. Yeah. And how many materials did you use?
I don't know.
Less than 15?
Yeah.
All right, and it looks the right size. Awesome.
Z Puppets is a Twin Cities-based performance company that does a lot of combining STEM and the art of puppetry.
Today, we are doing a STEM of Puppetry workshop. So we're putting the A in STEM to make it STEAM, and we're exploring the connection between science and art.
This is my Harry Potter puppet, and it's got its little wand here. Oh my god! And the wand, it can do a lot of different spells. It's got a scarf here and the Let's see.
Everybody's challenged to make a puppet that meets the design criteria of having a moving part, being a character, using at least 4 objects and no more than 15 objects, and it has to fit within a 12 by 12 cube.
Used pipe cleaners, this bottle, a ribbon, and some tape and some felt. I used some bandage tape, milk, for eggs, a couple pom-poms for eyes, and a little bit of I think they're like buttons that you can use over the back for eyes and make top to put your eyes on. I used ribbon, tape, cloth, tape looking stuff, and more cloth in the hair.
This is our STEM of Puppetry puppet making lab. So we're doing experiments to create puppets out of objects that people would ordinarily throw out, and we're recycling them into characters.
We realized as puppeteers that when we start to create a new puppet or design a set for a performance, we have to go through the same process that engineers go through when they're designing whatever it is that they design. You know, if they're designing a table or a chair, they have to think about the constraints that they have to deal with, whether it's the materials that they choose or the resources that they have to make the thing.
Well, they're pretty hard at sometimes, pretty easy when you actually know how to use it. But sometimes it's like hard to make because as you're making it, I came into a struggle by making it because its mouth didn't open properly, so I had to cut the whole thing around, and then I actually made it, and then I made its mouth move. So that's how I got through my mouth movement. It takes a long time, and you can't just go straight to it. You can't just go straight to making puppets. You have to think and design in your head.
This project was funded by the Minnesota State Arts Board, which allows us to bring unique arts opportunities to students all across Minnesota.